So hopefully dropping a pumping session at work doesn't decrease your milk supply. Most parents find that they need to pump every 2.5 to 3 hours for about 15 minutes to keep up their milk supply. But when the work schedule doesn't accommodate that, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Instead, consider pumping for maybe every 4 hours, but pump instead for 15 minutes, pump for 20 to 25 minutes, and see if you can get an extra letdown and get a little bit more milk. And if you're finding that the amount of milk that you're bringing home is not meeting the need of your baby, then you could always consider pumping before you go to bed. And what that will do is hopefully get you a few extra ounces that you can add to what you pumped during the day. And hopefully that next day, you'll have plenty of milk to offer your baby.